Hello guys, if you are interested in working on board cruise ships and want to earn a good salary while traveling all around the world for free, then for sure you've been trying to find out that how to get job on cruise ships or in cruise line. Actually, I'm not providing any job here. I'm not a recruiter or from HR. But in this video, you will see that how you can apply job by your own using your own computer or phone. This video is also available on RCL website on their career page on C-Track. But still many people were asking that how to create a profile on Cruise Line's website, how to apply for a job. This is the mostly asked questions, one of the mostly asked questions on this channel since beginning. So I found this video and I uploaded it for you. All the credit of this video goes to the respected owner. I'm just trying to use it for guidance and educational purpose. Please watch the video till end and subscribe my channel if you find it useful.
Welcome to the How to Create an Account and Apply for a Position tutorial. This guide describes how to apply for shipboard career opportunities via the Career Tracking Resource and Advancement Compass, also known as C-Track. It also describes the preliminary process candidates must follow prior to being hired. You will need an email account where you will receive newsletters and other notifications concerning positions on board our ships. By clicking Register at the top of the screen, you can choose your area of interest and the position you desire. A description box will pop up, and after reviewing the job description, you can click Apply Now. Here's where you'll create your profile by filling in your personal information, such as your first name, your last name. Use the drop-down box to enter your nationality and your gender. And then click Yes or No to answer the following. Are you at least 18 years of age? Have you worked on board ships before? Have you ever been part of our team? Do you have a friend or relative working with us? Then choose your area of interest and feel free to choose as many as you have had experience in. Also, how you heard of us, and if you follow us on any of these social media sites. In the fields below, please enter your email address, choose a C-Track password, and confirm it. Also below that, check whether or not you would like to receive updates, and then click Submit. Now let's take a look at a few important steps we will be completing. The first one we've already done, which is to choose and apply for your position. Then, how to upload your profile photo. Enter your contact and education information. And the following section will ask you your work experience, references, and skills. And finally, you'll be asked some job-specific questions and to enter an email signature to complete your profile. After applying, you will be taken back to the profile page where you will find a progress bar at the top. As you complete each section, the yellow bars will turn green. In addition, you will see a side progress bar which you may click here to hide. Later, a green check mark will appear next to each section after clicking Save. Here in the Contact section, let's begin by adding a photo to your profile. Please be sure you have saved a photo of yourself on your desktop. Then, click Change Image. Click on your photo. Then, click Open. Notice how your photo pops up on your profile. Now you can fill in your address, the city. Here, please enter the state, region, or district, followed by the zip code. Now click the drop-down arrow to choose the country. When clicking a date box, a calendar will appear. Please choose the month, then the year, and then the date. And in the next field, just follow the same procedure. If you have lived here less than 7 years, please be sure to click here to add any addresses. If your permanent address is the same as your current address, please click the box to populate the fields below. In this next section, please let us know your gateway city, which is simply the city of your closest airport. Just click the down arrow and choose the city. We may be conducting some video interviews with you, so here, please enter your Skype name. Be sure we have your correct email address. Here, please enter your country code, if it's a cell phone, and also the best time for us to reach you. Now that you've completed your contact information, you can just click Save. Notice the confirmation on the upper right side of your screen, which shows your information was saved. Also note the green check mark on the sidebar. And here on the top left, the yellow bar has turned to green as well. Now we're ready for your next section, which is your education information. Here, please choose the degree you have earned, the field or fields of study, as well as the name of your school, the type of school, and then the city and country. Here, please enter the school's telephone number, the year you started, and the year you ended. Now don't forget to scroll up and click Save. Notice the fields are populated, and up on the top, the education bar has turned green. Now you can either click here or scroll down to the work experience area. Here in your work experience area, you can check the box if this is your current employer. Then, please enter the company's name. Click to choose the industry. Enter the city. Click to choose the country. And then the telephone number. Now, please give us some information about your job, such as your title or position, your starting month, and your starting year, your starting salary, as well as your ending salary, the salary's currency, your weekly work hours, your supervisor's name, their email address, and the description of responsibilities. Then, just scroll up and click Save. Notice the work experience fields have been populated, and there's another green check mark on the sidebar. Once again, the yellow bar turns to green. Here in the reference section, please enter the first name and the last name of your reference, the company they work for, their relationship to you, and their telephone number. You may add any other references here. Then click Save. Again, you will see a green check mark next to references, and the yellow bar turns green. Now we can move on to the language section, where you will enter your level of reading and writing and speaking, as well as your comprehension level. If you speak any other languages, click here, and then click Save. Notice again the green check mark and the green bar. Now we can click on the Skills section. Clicking on your heading of choice will give you a list of different skills. Please let us know your level of proficiency in the ones that apply. Again, just scroll up and click Save. Next, in the job-specific section, you will be required to answer questions which will be timed. You can either start now or come back to it. After you have answered the questions, click Submit. This takes you to the top of the screen, which indicates your exam is complete. Finally, here in the last step, all that's needed is to enter your email signature. This can easily be done just by entering your email address and the code below. Please note these characters are case sensitive. Therefore, be sure to enter them exactly as they appear. And now, you may go down and click Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully applied for a position. Remember, next time you log in, you will be directed to the myrclhome.com portal. Otherwise, you can stay here and click Go to Profile, which takes you back where you can view the status on all the positions you have applied for and if any action needs to take place. You may also want to spend some time in the Videos section where you will find some introduction videos and become more familiar with our company. Also, you may later find more tutorial videos like this one. Please remember to check your email and C-Track profile daily. And thank you for applying.